Construction on our kitchen is almost done. Our new space is starting to take shape, and we are saying goodbye to the clubhouse. Stick around after the intro to check out the progress. Alright, we pick up where we left off in the last video, just after the demo and rough-in of the electric and plumbing was finished. As we take a walk through our kitchen, we'll show you in stages the progress that we've made. Here we have our sliding door has been removed, and the frame for the new door going to the loading dock has been installed, and our hood got delivered. That is a very important part of our kitchen. That's where all the cooking's going to take place. Without that, we wouldn't have much to do. There we have the hole cut in the ceiling where the hood is going to go. And the crew there is installing the ductwork for the hood and ventilation system. There you see all the components that will be on the outside of the roof for the return air and the exhaust fan. With all the drywall up and the hood up, our kitchen is starting to take shape, and we can really see what we're going to have to work in, and we are very excited about it. Dining room has undergone a significant transformation, with a lot of doorways and holes being patched with new drywall, and the ceiling being refinished. Once all that got done, the primer and paint that we chose has started to go up, and we are very close to being able to start setting up our dining room. We are very excited about that. All of our stuff is currently in storage, just waiting for these pieces to just be finished up. Here's our offices. If you remember from our first walkthrough video, started off as one big room. We are going to split them up into two smaller offices, where we'll be able to have consultations and greet guests as they come in to inquire about renting our venue or hiring us to cater their events. This is something we're looking forward to having at our new building that we did not have at the clubhouse. Everything was always just done in the dining room. We think this will be a much nicer experience. There you see the wall with the doorway between the two offices has been put up. Then for some primer and some paint, and those will be completed. the bathroom that we added to the building and the back hallway that will lead out to the event venue area. The glass we showed you, it was just framed in, but all the plumbing's done, the drywall's up, the electric is ran inside, and so it's just a matter of putting some paint up and getting some fixtures in, and there you see what will be the doorway out to the event venue. What was a bittersweet day for us was moving out of the clubhouse, which has been our home for the last 8 years. It took quite a few trips, a couple box trucks in our van to get everything out. The kitchen staff and serving staff all pitched in and helped move out over the course of the winter. And we hired some movers for the heavy appliances, taking out our stoves and our ovens, our reach-in refrigerator. There it is, empty as the day we moved in. We are excited to close this chapter and move out of the clubhouse and into our new home on Levitt Road. And the next video you get from us should be showing you the kitchen once it is finished. So it's just a matter of time now. We are getting really close to being able to fire up our grills and flip on our ovens and start cooking for you again here very soon. Take a look at some of our other videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Every little bit helps. And we will see you on the next one.